Hello kids and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. Today we are going to learn phonics. We are going to learn three letters word. First of all, I have single alphabets on this side and on other side I'll write the words using this alphabet, the words which has ending sound at. It is also called as at words, right? On this side, we will write the words which has ending sound at. A, t, a, t. Which letter is this? A. The sound of A is a. Which letter of this? T. The sound of T is t. A, t, at. So first of all, which letter is this? R. Very good. The sound of R is R. 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 Now join these words with me and repeat with me. R at. R at. Now you tell me which word it has become. R at. R at. Very good. Rat. We will write here. R at. R at. R at. Rat. Very good. Which letter is this? M. The sound of M is M. M. M at. Repeat with me. M at. Mat. Very good. Now, which letter is this? H. The sound of H is H. H. H at. H at. Which word it has become? H at. Very good. Hat. H at. Hat. Now, which letter is this? F. The sound of F is F. F at. F at. Fat. Very good. Now we have learned about the word which ending sound is at. It's also called at words. These are all three-letter words. Thank you so much for watching and keep subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting.